money and career. If you don't have good amount of money and responsible career, you're considered to be broke in the society. So for money and career, we spend 10 to 12 years in our schooling and 2 years to get into the best college, and some may get into dream college and some may get into tier 2 to 3 colleges. But a common thing in these students last 15 years is money. Coding, a universal topic, can get you out of this loop and make you independent with great career. And we are third year engineering student who have mastered MERN stack development with real-time problems. So we are going to share your journey of learning of coding. So we are going to share you some tips that you can follow to avoid the mistakes that we have done during our learning. So if you are a first year student who is getting started into engineering or a degree college, this video is perfectly for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. When you're getting started into coding, these are the common questions that goes in your mind. What is coding? When to start coding? What is the first learning language? Resources किधर से लेनी है? Roadmap क्या होती है? And besides all these questions, there is one question that probably reverb in my mind. That is scope. Placement क्या है और package कितनी मिलती है? So let's clear the first question. What is coding? Assume that there is a party going at your home and you have forgot something. So what you will do? You will just call your friend and ask him to bring that thing in the understandable language that he will understand. So you can connect the situation to the coding. So the order that you have given to your friend is considered to be the instructions that you have given to the computer, and the understandable language that you have spoken to the friend is nothing but the computer understandable language, and the thing that is brought by your friend is nothing but the output. So what you will do with the computer programming language or the coding? You will just provide with the input and it will give you the desired output. So this whole thing is so termed as coding. And believe me, coding or the software development field is independent of the stream or the degree that you have chosen. So you can have a bachelor's of degree in mechanical department and still get high paying job. Now comes the second question, when to start learning coding? You might be thinking that you have 3 to 4 years of time and starting at second year is going to be ideal choice. But I'm going to tell you why starting at first year will favor you a lot. When you're getting started in the first year of the college, you will be exploring all the basics concept of the coding. So you are likely to be learning at the low phase, and the meanwhile time you will be exploring all the clubs of the college and the other things of the college. So when you're getting started in the second year of college, you will be solving the real-time problems and you will be getting a handful of experience. So when you get good experience, you can even apply for internships and you can even do freelancing, which can earn you a handful of money. So when you're showcasing all these experiences in your interview, it's going to be a win-win chance for you and you are likely to get high package. So time is directly proportional to knowledge. So starting at first year is going to be an ideal choice. And the next question, first programming language and resources. If you're about to start your first programming language and get inside into the world of programming, then C language is perfect for you. And the book Let Us See by Yashwant Kanetkar is an ideal choice to learn C language. Learning C not only gives you an overall idea, but it also acts as a connecting point between the languages such as Java, JavaScript and Python. The syntax might be different, but the concepts are so similar that you find it so easy to learn. Till now, the primary things has completed, but now comes the real questions, how to become the software developer or the roadmap to become the software developer. Since I have my background as a MERN stack developer, so I'm going to share you my journey as a MERN stack developer. In order to become the MERN stack developer, initially you need to learn the front-end languages such as HTML, CSS and JavaScript. After learning this front-end language, you can go for the back-end languages such as Node.js, Express.js, React.js and SQL. So after completing these back-end languages, you can further go for the competitive programming, which can help you in understanding the algorithms. So all these languages bundled together to call as MERN stack development. Since explaining everything in one video is not possible, so I'm going to pin you a cheat sheet. The link is given in the description. You can go and check it out right there. Placement and scope. If we leave the topic of the full stack developer, the average package for a front-end developer is 8 LPA and the average package for a back-end developer is 15 LPA. These are just the numbers that I'm going to talk within the India. If you consider the things abroad, it's 75,695 US dollars for the front-end developer, and for the back-end developer, it's 105k US dollars. If we convert those figures into Indian rupees, it's 67 lakhs and 82 lakhs respectively. So there is a huge scope in this software field. So with a good guidance and with a great process, you can achieve this milestone very easily. Conclusion. COVID-19 pandemic has increased the rate of adoption of the digital technologies across the globe or across the industries, leading to the increase in software development across the globe. According to the Glassdoor, an official website states that the average package for a full stack developer is 12 to 15 LPA and it is increasing at the rate of 10 to 15%. And in US, it's $95,000 per year It also states that 21% extra software developers are needed at the end of 2026 to 2030. So recession gonna go and it's not gonna be a reason for your software downclaim. So if you have the right skill set that the market need, then you can be in the top 1%. So never regret if you're starting now. Because trying doesn't guarantee you win, but it doesn't even guarantee you lose. So start to learn coding today and see where it takes. Because you don't know, beautiful things may happen in your way.